Islam means to me peace and happiness.
Islam comes from the word salam, which means peace, so it's important for us to spread peace.
And to me, it makes me find peace within myself, because if you do understand the culture and the actual religion, then it is something that you can learn from.
Mae'n gweud I trin pobl eraill fel chi'n trin ei hun.
It's all about just being a good person. The morals of Islam, they kind of coincide with what other religions teach. So, and the basic principles are that you just lead a good life, that you be kind to people, you respect your elders, you help the needy.
If you needed £1, I would have to give you. Well, I wouldn't have to, but it would be my duty to give you that £1, to offer you that, regardless of like your background or who you are. If you needed it, I'm a Muslim, so I should give it to you.
Islam means to me that families coming together, celebrating.
Very peaceful.
Islam is actually peace, like it's such a peaceful religion. So what people say, and it's just really wrong, and it really does hurt a lot.
The one quote that kind of sums up the religion, and it's specifically from the Quran, is that if you kill one person, it's as though you've killed the whole of humanity, and if you saved one life, it's as though you've saved the whole of humanity.
Everybody is there for each other, and you've always got someone to lean on. There's like, it doesn't matter, like nobody cares about your background, who your parents are, anything. Like whenever you need somebody, there's always somebody to talk to. There's always someone to give you advice.
Prophet Muhammad said, love for your brother what you love for yourself. And that basically means always treat someone the way you'd want to be treated, basically. And that's Islam.